Hello everybody, in this tutorial I will talk about the engineer class in Battlefield 6, so enjoy watching. Well, at first we have to get into the loadouts, and here we have 4 classes available: the Assault Engineer, Support and Recon, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the Engineer. So let's get into this class. We have the model for Pax Armata like this, and for NATO like this. We have always the free additional features for my class. Well, the first one is a gadget, the second is a signature for weapon, and of course trait. The first one, gadget, is a repair tool. You know it from other Battlefield games. As an engineer, you can get out of tank or vehicles, and by using this tool you can repair the health of vehicles, which is a very good option, and this is a very important class if you want to use tanks, such as any tanks or vehicles. You have to have a driver, and then as a second slot you can take engineer and heal your tank, heal your vehicle while trying to get into the front line in battle. Well, a blowtorch to repair friendly vehicles and equipment can also damage enemy assets. Extended use will temporarily overheat the tool. So yeah, it can be overheat, so you have to use it smart, not spam all the time and then wait for reload. Use it with a head. The second signature is weapon. SMGs improve hip fire control, which is good, of course. SMGs are also good for mid-range or close range. I think better for close range, of course. Mid-range you could play something like Assault class. And the trait is Flakjacket, decreases damage taken from explosives, minus 33% splash damage only, which is also a good thing. Let's get into this one, and as you can see we have the anti-armor, and we have it on level 1. After reaching the next levels we can of course get something more, like damaging enemy vehicles, reduce their repair efficiency. And we can use the power repair, so we can press 6 on the keyboard to enable the repair tool to fix with enhanced efficiency. This is good. That's all, and now let's get to the SMGs. We have these 4 SMGs available. Well, we can customize it, of course. We can do a lot of things with these guns. I don't have leveled up this class, so I don't have the additional features for my gun. Let's get into the second gun. We have 1 pistol available, secondary pistol. Now the gadget, we can use the launcher, surface to air, if we want to hunt some helicopters or any flying object, vehicle. Or we can use RPG launcher that fires impact triggered unguided rockets. This is also good. I prefer to use this one because you can hurt the soldiers on the ground too and make the huge amount of damage. Of course we have a mine as a gadget, or the other launcher. You can use it, of course, the RPG and this launcher at the same time on 2 slots. We don't have a flash in engineering class. We have a smoke and frag grenade, and for melee is 1 knife. That was it, I think. If you like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Goodbye!